Go High Level is doing it again. They are giving 50% off for the next 3 months. It's their summer of AI deal of their regular plans, right? They got their 97 level plan, their 297 level plan, their 497 level plan. Now 50% off for the next 3 months. And if you use my affiliate link down below, I'll enter you in to my challenge that I happen to be starting on June 10th with over $18,000 worth of prizes that you can just use in the link below. Grab Go High Level at 50% off, get free AI for the entire summer, and enter my challenge to kick this off the right way. Now, what is in my challenge? You're gonna be able to use 8 AI agents to run your business. That means you can set up your entire business using Sully, our setup specialist. You can use Paul to generate thousands of local business leads directly from Google. You don't have to sift through leads. You don't have to sit on Google Maps. Paul, our prospector, will do it all for you. You could use Ava to connect your Go High Level account directly to our agent platform. All these agents are working to build your agency. It's the first time anybody's done this, and all you have to do to enter, you can do it one of 2 ways. You can click the link down below and enter my Skool community, pay for the premium membership, and get access to a whole bunch more, or use my Go High Level affiliate link. And by the way, I'll jump on my screen in just a second to show this all off. Or use the Go High Level, their new offer, 50% off for the next 3 months. And as long as you stay on the subscription, you get to use the AI agents and enter this challenge with $18,000 of prizes. So let me jump on my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly everything that you get, all the prizes, as well as what some of these agents can do. You'll get full access to them. All you have to do is use the link down below and simply send me a message saying that you did so, or I'll just reach out once I see that you did. I wanted to get this video out. I'm driving, probably shouldn't be doing this, but I want to get this video out because I just found out about it. Didn't even know that they were doing this. So again, let me repeat, 50% off Go High Level for the next 3 months. Use the link down below. Free, unlimited use of all of their AI tools, which fits perfectly with my challenge because we use their AI site builder all day, every day. And you'll get entered for free because you're paying for the Go High Level subscription using the link down below into my AI agent challenge that starts June 10th at 12 p.m. And if you're interested and you already have Go High Level, you can upgrade, which will also give you access. You can go from 97 to 297, 297 to 497. Or if you can't do any of that, simply join my Skool premium Skool community, get access to everything. The link's down below. Go check it out. You'll see exactly what I mean, but let's jump on my computer.
All right, on my screen, you see all of my agents. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, my name is James Bonadis, and I've been running a marketing agency since 2014, generated millions and millions and millions of dollars online, and helped a lot of students generate thousands, hundreds of thousands, and millions of dollars online. If you grab Go High Level at the 50% off, you're going to get access to the Agent Vault. The Agent Vault runs on about 20 now APIs for AI tools. Tools from Claude, ChatGPT, Ideogram, on and on and on and on. Okay, it's a ton. Google Maps, so on and so forth. And so people that are in my premium level Skool community get free access to this. You use Go High Level's 50% off for 3 months, you get free access to this. Plus, I'll show you the Skool community that you also get. Sully could help you set up literally from beginning. Like if you are brand new, you would use Sully. If you're not, maybe you would use Sully for pricing and automatically generating contracts that you can use for your clients. Maybe you don't have a website, whatever it is, you can go from agency name all the way to having your own contracts ready to go. SEO contracts, reputation management contracts. It will generate everything for you. Okay. Sully is to get rid of, people get stuck in this. So I built Sully specifically to unstuck people, because this is what happens to people, is that they just get overwhelmed and they can't move forward. Callie is trained on 8 years of our trainings, all the transcripts, 200,000 plus words, and hundreds of videos. Okay. And actually, you'll get access to the AI Agent Vault, where you can learn how to use each agent and what each one does. Paul, as I mentioned, will build your master list, will build your prospecting list, and will help you with 6 prospecting methods. We can generate cold emails and send them directly through here, through Go High Level. All you got to do is connect Ava. I'll show you in a second. I'll give you cold call scripts, double tap scripts. If you don't know what that is, you can ask Cully what a double tap is, and she'll tell you what it is. Cars Reach, which is BNI networks, chambers of commerce. Don't know what to say when you get there. We'll generate the pitch for you. Computers Reach. You want to generate proposals for Upwork? Just take the link, drop it into a box right here. Job title, description. what you're good at, any relevant experience. It will literally give you your proposals right here. You just copy and paste a proposal, do 5 a day, your life will change. Arms reach method is basically posting on Facebook a message to see if anybody in your network would be interested in working with you. Very simple. Mary will generate an AI website mockup that you can show local businesses, roofers, whatever you want, doesn't matter. Plumbers, pressure washers, auto detailers, general contractors, med spas, accountants, gyms, blah, blah, blah. Pause this and read it. All right, so you choose a niche, it'll generate a mockup, use it to pitch AI websites to people. Clay will help you close. It will literally give you all the pitches, how to answer your objections that people might have. Clay will help you close and go from, let's say, an AI mockup website to a closed deal. Okay, I don't want to walk through it. Clay the closer is probably the biggest piece that I bought that I spent the most time on. Again, this is built off of 8 years of us teaching 8,000 plus people how to build a marketing agency. And the CQ, we call it the CQI, Client Qualification Interview. It's the best way to not have to be good at selling. Most people are not. If you don't want to convince people, go through this process, and it's literally a conversation that leads to a close without you even knowing that you're closing them, okay? Ava will connect literally your GoHighLevel account, okay? Right here, your private integration token, your location ID, and then connect it. The training on this is very easy. I could ask her what my pipelines, my calendars. I could tell her to add a contact, tell her to build me something. I could do anything that I want once I'm connected. Okay. Bob is going to build you when you go from Mary the Mockup using Clay the Closer to help you close a deal to Bob the Builder to actually build a website. So we can build an actual business website. We can build an actual review funnel. Okay. I'll show you in a second. We can actually drop a specific website URL and redesign a client website. If you look at the history, here's what the review funnel prompt looks like. Copy, paste, go to Lovable or AI. I mean, if you're going to use GoHighLevel, use GoHighLevel's AI Studio. It's going to be free till August 31st. This is why this is perfect to jump on GoHighLevel. You're going to get 50% off and you're going to be able to use all of their AI for the next 3 months. What better time than to start now and join my challenge? You can do so without paying anything extra. Just get GoHighLevel. You're going to need it anyway. Paula is going to help you generate Facebook ads. So if I go over here, it'll literally show me, you answer some questions and it'll show you what the ad is. I can generate images just to see what the ad is. Some people have been using the images. They've kind of been working when you're running Facebook ads for a local business. It's cheap and very, very easy. Okay. You can explain down here in a prompt, change it, and that'll change the images. And then AI Agency Challenge. Once you're in here, you just click this button that would be here. And this is how you earn points. Like the way we're building this is you earn points by doing, and there's going to be auto tracked. So use the agents and you get points. We have some milestone points, submitting wins, paid contracts, trial started. If you post an arms reach post, you get points. Basically, I'm awarding points for doing what you should be doing in your agency for a chance to win a lot of prizes. Do I have the prizes in here? Let's jump over the prizes. All right, so here's the prizes. I had to change a little bit of things, but now there's going to be 20 winners. First place, $1,500 cash plus a MacBook Air, plus I'll interview on YouTube and give you a backlink to your agency website. A lot of juice in that. $1,000 cash, iPad, YouTube interview, backlink to your agency website. Third place, $500 cash, 3 months of Agent Vault. Use it as much as you want, generate as many leads as you want, and a featured case study. Well, YouTube interviews are featured case studies. $300 cash, $300 Apple Watch or AirPods, 6 months of Agent Vault, $300. You could pause this and read it all the way down to, people in the 10th place can get up to 2 months off of Agent Vault. And if you use my GoHighLevel link, I'll probably just give you the cash. So if you're not paying for Skool Premium because you use the link down below, I'll just reimburse you the cash if you're in 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th place, okay? 2 months of Agent Vault currently right now is worth $178. And then I'm going to do a wild card drawing, okay? Every participant who completes the challenge gets entered into a random drawing. One winner drawn live at the closing event. The prize, 12 months of Agent Vault free plus I'm going to give you an 8-week one-on-one mentorship with a 6-figure agency owner to help build your agency alongside you. That was really over $6,000. Total value of $6,000. So I'm giving away over $18,000 to force you to do what you should be doing anyway, okay? And so you could actually, instead of joining my Skool Premium, join GoHighLevel using my link down below, and you'll get free access to everything I just mentioned. We start June 10th. 12 p.m., I go live on YouTube to kick it off. I'll go through some stuff, wish you guys luck, and then we'll meet almost every week live on YouTube where you can come ask questions, but you'll also get access to my AI Agency Vault Skool community. You get free access to this if you use the link down below, where we have a lot of discussions. We go live. If you take a look at the calendar, you see how many times we go live during the week, leaderboards, just a whole community of people all doing the same thing. I have a lot of veterans in here that do big numbers. Matter of fact, they built agencies bigger than mine and Jason's. And that is probably one of the biggest things that I'm proud of is, how good of an educator would I be if I never taught somebody to be better than me, right? So with all that being said, you'll plug into our community. We'll hit this thing running. Let's get after it. Link down below. And then just really quick, if you're still watching this video, if you use my GoHighLevel affiliate link, please make sure that you are maybe in you clear your history. You probably have cookies from 400 other gurus. And if I don't get credit for it, it's not going to work out. So GoHighLevel is really good at moving people if you actually really did use my link. But the best way to do it is grab my link, go into an incognito window, get GoHighLevel 50% off free AI for the next 3 months, and you'll get into the challenge, and we'll be rocking and rolling. I'll just throw this out there. If you don't hear from me, email me at visibilitycloud411@gmail.com. You can also find that email over here on the About page right here. So what you would do is you'd click the link. If you want to go to school.com /AI-agency-vault/about, the link will be down below. And then click the want premium for free. Click this down here, and then here's my email. Let me know that you did. I'll get you in right away, and let's rock and roll. See you guys on the next video. Tomorrow's video is going to be a good one, so make sure you turn the notifications on, turn the bell on, give me a comment down below, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.